Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix there was a problem logging you into Instagram. Please try again soon. So if you are encountering the error, it typically means that there's an issue with your login credential, network, or the Instagram server. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. First, you need to check your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection, either via Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can try to turning off your Wi-Fi and also turn it back on, or switch to mobile data to see if it resolves the issue. And then the second one, you can verify Instagram server status. Sometimes Instagram may be experiencing server issues or outages. It will cause login problems. You can check website like down detector or is it down right now to see if Instagram is down globally. Or you can just wait for a few minutes or hours and try again once Instagram resolve any server issues. And the third one, you can double check your login credential, ensuring you are entering the correct username and also password. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on this forgot password on the login screen and follow the instructions to reset it. And you can also try to clear the cache for Android or iOS. You can go to the settings on your Android device in here, and then find apps. Once the app's settings is loaded, you can just click on Instagram. So click on Instagram and then go to the storage and cache and tap on clear cache. So do not click on clear storage unless you want to log out. And next, you can try to update the Instagram app. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store, and then you can just search for Instagram. Okay, let's search for Instagram, and if there's an update in here, you can just install it, as updates may contain bug fixes that could resolve the login issue. And you can also try to log in on a different device or browser. You can try to log into your Instagram account on a different device or use a web browser. If you can log in on another device, then the issue might be with your original device. Next, you can also check for Instagram account issue. So if you violated Instagram terms of service, your account could be temporarily suspended. You can check your email for any message from Instagram regarding the account issues. And if your account is suspended or blocked, you may need to follow the steps in the email to restore access. Next, you can also try to reinstall the Instagram application on the Play Store. You can uninstall it first and then reinstall it again and log in again to check if the issue is resolved. Next, you can also use Instagram Help Center. So if none of the previous steps work, you can contact the Instagram support through the Help Center. And you can just describe the issue and submit a support ticket. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.